Hello everyone, my name is Daniel and welcome back to Tech Wright. If I look funky or weird, it's because I got a new light and I can't see shit. Alright, so today's video is actually not going to be a catch-up video. I mean, it's kind of late, so it might be. But today we are going to be talking about the Pixel 3a and the 3a XL. Now there's actually been a lot of YouTubers cover this already, and I'm really upset because I'm not famous and I don't have like people send me stuff. So I'm just going to cover the specs with you, everything that I've seen, show you proof on cited pictures and videos, and then I'll let you know if it's worth it or not. All right, so let's go straight into it. The Pixel 3a and 3a XL has two different phone dimension screens, obviously. The Pixel 3a is 6 inches tall with a 5.6 inch display. It is 2.8 inches wide. The Pixel 3a XL is 6.3 inches tall with a 6 inch display, 3 inches wide. Why do you need to know that? Well, I'm glad you asked. Now, let's go back to the picture that I just showed you because I'm already kind of irritated about this. One of the things that Android and Samsung and iPhone are trying to get away from is bezels so that they can have a full screen. Now, this actually kind of bothers me at the Google Pixel because you would think that they would try to stay with the trend, but the reason I gave you those dimensions just now is specifically so that you can see that there's bezels on the top and the bottom and on both sides of the display. I don't like that. That gets on my nerves, and really just when you're thinking about it from an economic standpoint, you think that they would want to have a leg up on the competition and make something that is kind of bezel-less. It kind of drives me nuts. Not nuts, it drives me nuts. All right, so moving on, the back of the phone has a 12.2 megapixel camera. It's actually a dual pixel camera, and the reason that I'm just saying that in detail is specifically for the fact that this thing takes amazing pictures. If you take a lot of pictures on your phone, this would probably be one of the front runners. Not only for the fact that it is an amazing camera, but also for the price range, because this thing starts out at $399, and if you split that up, you could do 24 months of like $16.99 to actually have this paid off. But I mean, really what I would do in order to get rid of the monthly payment is I would just put it on a credit card and then pay like $25 to $35 a month and have it paid off in like 6 or 7 months. I'm not doing math, so that's probably very wrong. And then boom, you have a cheaper cell phone bill and you have eliminated your monthly payment. Something that I thought was hilarious, and I almost think it's halfway not true, is on the Google Pixel website, you can clearly see where they're trying to take a jab at the iPhone 10, because if you take a nighttime picture, this is what they're saying it's gonna show you. And this is what it says you're gonna see if you take the same picture at the same darkness with the Google Pixel 3a. It does have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 670 processor and 4 gigabytes of RAM in the base model. So, and that's pretty good actually for the price. The price point blows my mind compared to what you get with it. For a smartphone, this is almost top notch for that price range, because most of the phones that give you this amount of quality are $1,000+ right off the bat for the base model. This does charge through USB-C like everything else. My camera charges through USB-C. I'm probably about to get a laptop that charges through USB-C. All right, you guys, that is it for my review. I did a quick overview. I can't really do a whole lot, specifically because I don't have the phone in my hand, but I do like to do these spec videos because although I can't get every single product for you, I would like to just send you guys a good Cliff Notes version of everything that I have read and that I have witnessed and watched. And I think that it does help you guys out. It just kind of throws it out there for you guys to get the basic information that you need so that you can make the decision whether you want to go research this further or if you just want to pass. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out my second ASMR channel that is down below if you have any anxiety or have trouble sleeping. Now, I do have a lot of anxiety problems, so this does help me out a lot. I fall asleep to ASMR almost 4 or 5 nights a week. Another shout out to GB because she's perfect. And be sure to check out my social media links, everything I film with, and put a comment down below. Let me know if you are interested in the Google Pixel, and if not, what is your favorite flagship phone that has come out this year so far? All right, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.